Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable picture-in-picture mode on Google Chrome browser, go to Google Chrome browser and browse youtube.com, and I'm going to open a YouTube video and then right click on the video. Look, picture in picture mode is not showing here. Again, there is no picture in picture mode here. Just right click again and look here, you will find picture in picture mode. Click on picture in picture and look, another window is opened and you can maximize or minimize the extra window, and then you can switch another tab for your another website, but the previous YouTube video is running on your desktop. This is the easiest way to enable picture in picture mode on Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.